Serious apologies, madam.
Yes, thank you, madam. My lord, the matter is scheduled for hearing today. The claimant, who is a witness, is in court. However, sir, may we be guided out of abundance of caution to be sure that the second and third defendants are aware of today's date. Because on the last date, the Honorable Court did not see it, and today's date was communicated to us via hearing notice.
You received a hearing notice.
With the Zoom password.
With the Zoom details.
Yeah, with the details, we did. And I can see that the first defendant also did, by virtue of their appearance. So it's just to be out of abundance of caution, my lord. So nobody will turn around and say, oh, they were not aware of the date.
Register. Let's find the hearing notices here. I can't find any of the hearing notices in the file. Not even the ones sent to you and sent to the first defendant. So the hearing notices must be somewhere. I think the registrar has gone to look for the hearing notices. So there's no hearing notice as of now on the, or rather in the file, on the second and third defendants.
Maybe. Sorry, my friend.
We'll send the link to them.
Sorry?
I'll send it
to the second and the third defendants. The registrar says the link has already been sent to the second and third defendants. So the second and third defendants are aware that the matter is coming up today. But I would just want counsel to be notified. There was an appeal. Please, can you take this and just read it out so that counsel can, and then read out my response. So that's the information given. So that we are all on the same page and we all know what has transpired.
As God pleases.
Read it out, please. Now.
Against the directive of the court.
The heading.
Appeal against the direction of the court in respect of suit number NICN APJ 2022. We are wish to take an appeal against the directive of my lordship making on 6 June 2023 in respect of above matters pending before the court. The last adjournment was attended in other matters at Federal Headquarters, Abuja, and my colleague, Ted Tuba Esquire, represent me in the court, and I was informed that we have to come to court on the next adjourned date, 21st October 2023, with our electoral equipment so as to cross-examine the claimant via Zoom. Number 3, I am unemployed of an agency of government with no such provision as now, and I do not have enough funds to take care of that. And it's upon this ground, that I make an appeal for the claimant to return home to pay his matter. This will make it easier for us to cross-examine him, and likewise our witnesses, and I believe if this matter is important to him, we should be able to make it his sacrifice. I pray for understanding by my Lord in this consideration of appeal. Thank you, Joseph Anyam, Esquire, Assistant Director of Legal Services.
What is the response?
I not respond. Application denied.
That's the first. That's the
First defendant.
and the first defendant is present. The first defendant is present. So that application was denied.
Thank you, my Lord. I think we need to make progress, and also, I mean, not on this matter now, just talking generally and take advantage of technology. And if we keep saying things like this, there is no way that we'll move forward. And even if he had been in court out of respect, he could share with us, and the proceedings will still go on. So I think my Lord has done the needful.
Well, I think that because upon seeing the application, I felt that it was and is a great disservice to the Police Service Commission and the Nigerian Police Force. For the Nigerian Police Force, for it to be written that they cannot partake in a virtual hearing, that they don't have devices, and so on and so forth. It's a complete disservice to the Nigerian Police Force. And it's not something that anybody should be proud of.
As the
We
court
have to
pleases.
say it.
As the court
That's the
pleases.
Nigerian Police Force. And so that application was denied because I know, we're on Zoom, this technology, the whole world is watching. I know that the Nigerian Police Force has all those electronic devices.
As the court pleases.
So that application is made for other reasons, not because the Nigerian Police Force does not have devices.
As the court pleases.
Must not be heard to be said from an officer of the Nigerian Police Force that they don't have devices for virtual hearing. Yes. That cleared. The second and the third defendants have been served, and I think we can proceed. They have been sent with a link, the registrar. They have been sent with the link. All parties were sent the link. Yes. Yes.
Most grateful, my Lord. In the light of the development, we are ready to proceed with the kind permission of my Lord.
Yes.
My Lord, our witness, who is the claimant, has joined us via Zoom. I wouldn't know if my Lord will want him to be affirmed.
Yes, he should take his oath.
Sorry, sir.
The witness should take his oath. He's on Zoom.
Yes, I am, my lord.
Registrar, come and read him.
Registrar. I thought you had a system there. Okay, all right.
Good morning, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Good morning.
Yeah, are you a Christian or a Muslim? Can you hear me, sir?
I'm hearing you. Good morning.
Are you a Christian or a Muslim, sir?
I'm a Christian.
Would you like to swear with the Holy Bible or you want to affirm?
I want to affirm, please.
Okay, repeat after me, sir.
I'm ready.
I, mention your name,
Adegboyega,
sir.
Adegboyega Alade Taiwo,
Affirm that the evidence I shall give in this case
affirm that the evidence I shall give in this case
shall be the truth, the whole truth,
the whole truth,
and nothing but the truth.
and nothing but the truth.
Thank you. My Lord, the witness has affirmed.
Thank you, my lord.
Thank you, my lord.
Yes.
Yeah, witness, please, we need to speak louder, very loud and clear. And maybe you may need to adjust the volume from your end so that.
It's at maximum here, my lord.
Okay, so you speak loud, please. Yes. Can you please tell these honorable court your name?
My name is Adegboyega Alade Taiwo.
Slowly, my lord is taking you.
My name is Adegboyega Alade Taiwo, my lord.
Yes.
Yes. Your address?
32 more close. CR4 1BW. Mitcham. Eastfield.
Mitcham.
Eastfields. Sorry, UK.
Yes.
And what do you do?
I was a police commissioner. I'm retired now, and I'm trying to
You're a retired
update.
police officer, commissioner.
Yes, commissioner of police retired.
Yes.
Yeah. Do you remember deposing to a witness statement on oath before a notary in the
Yes,
UK?
my lord.
Yes.
Yeah. If you see that witness statement on oath, would you be able to identify it and how?
Yes, my lord. I will be able to recognize you.
Yes.
Yes. Can you furnish the court how you'll be able to identify it?
Of course, my name is there. My passport photograph is also there.
Yes,
Do you remember the name of the notary before who you deposed to it?
The notary is here in the UK.
Sorry, come again.
The notary is here in the UK. I did it here in London.
Yes, the name
The name.
of the road notary. Do you remember?
Okay, it was the first time I used the, except I checked my notes now.
Okay.
yes,
Along the original of the witness statement or note with the notary certificate they are before the court is HCS Pereira.
yes.
Thank you, my lord. Now, what do you want the court to do with this witness statement on oath?
I want the Honorable Court.
Slowly, please.
I want the Honorable Court to grant me
Yes.
all my claims as therein contained, please.
You adopt the statement or not?
To adopt the statement.
Yes.
So, thank you, my lord. My lord, by the order of the Honorable Court, parties are to tender all documents from the bar, and if there are any issues, they should be taken care of in the course of the written address. In obedience to that order, my lord, we have the documents that we have front-loaded here, and we seek to tender those documents. All been pleaded.
Are the documents as listed? Your list of documents?
Yeah, my lord. Yeah. Except for number 8, which the subpoena was issued, and the second and third defendants have not responded, did not bring that document before the court. But for the other ones, 1 to 7, 9 to 11, my lord, all the documents, apart from 8.
And the documents?
Most grateful.
Registrar. Happiness Sobele.
Yes, my lord.
Happiness Sobele.
Yes, my lord.
Any objection? Any objection to the documents?
No, my lord. No objection, my lord.
How many documents? The claimant's documents are admitted in evidence, subject to the right of any of the parties to raise objection. They are marked exhibits C1 to C9 in the order of listing.
As a government.
Mark the documents. Document 8 is not part of it.
My Lord, sir. Yeah. If I'm not mistaken, my Lord said they are marked C1 to C9.
Yes. In the order of listing. Document 8 is not part of it.
Yes, my Lord. So in that wise, my Lord, there should be 10.
So how many documents are there? Yeah, they look at the back. Count the documents. How many documents were listed? Was it 10 or 11?
11, my Lord.
So the mistake must have come from me. Then, but let her just
Yes, my Lord. And only
count and make
8,
sure.
just one.
Yes, I didn't flip. I ended with 10. I didn't flip the page. Let her just make sure so that we can. How many documents? Yeah, 10. So the documents are marked exhibit C1. So C10
Most grateful, my Lord.
in the order of listing.
As a company. Yeah, now, CP Adeboyega retired. You have brought the defendants to court. What do you want these honorable courts to do for you?
I want the honorable court to
Slowly, please. My Lord is writing.
I want the
Yes,
honorable
Lord.
court to grant all my requests and claims, please, my Lord.
My Lord, that will be all for this witness in chief. Most grateful.
Happiness Obele,
Yes, my lord.
cross-examination.
Please tell this honorable court your name.
My name again is Adeboyega Alade Taiwo.
Please tell this honorable court where you live.
I live at 32.
He has said all of that before.
32 more close.
Counsel, he has told the court his name. He has also told the court where he lives. I'm not going to write that again.
As the court, please.
He has told the court his
Thank
name.
you, my Lord.
He has told the court where he lives. I've recorded that. I'm not recording it again.
As the court pleases.
Yes.
You told this honorable court that in your statement of claim, in your witness statement on oath rather, that a query was issued to you. Can you tell this honorable court when the query was issued to you?
The query was issued to me in June 2020. That should be around 22nd, 23rd June 2020.
Can you tell this honorable court who issued you the query?
Then the Deputy Inspector General of Police, Department of Training and Development, Force Headquarters, Abuja.
So the query was issued by who?
The Deputy Inspector General of Police, DIG, my Lord.
Yes. By the DIG.
Deputy Inspector General of Police, Department of Training and Development, Force
Training and
Headquarters,
Development.
Abuja.
Yes.
Also, you said in your witness statement on oath that there was a disciplinary committee formed to hear your matter was, can you tell this honorable court if the Police Service Commission was a member of the said disciplinary committee?
They were never represented, my lord. If I may add, my lord, that makes it incomplete and illegal.
Yes, question.
After the query was issued to you and your appearance before the disciplinary committee, can you tell this honorable court the outcome of the process?
Up to today, I have not received any letter or signal or document, any communication in that regard. I've never seen the report till today.
Yes.
Can you tell this honorable court, in summary, the procedure for retirement from service?
You send the letter to them because you know you are going to retire and you know the date. You send your letter to them before, maybe from 6 months or 3 months in advance.
Slowly, my lord is
The
taking you.
authorities.
Slowly, Mr. Adegboyega, my lord is taking you.
Oh, I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes, you say it's to send a letter to who?
To the authorities as a senior officer, you will send to the first secretary's office. First secretary office as a senior officer.
Yes.
Are you aware that the final decision in respect of any disciplinary action for any police officer, especially a police officer of your kind and ranking, cannot, a conclusive decision cannot be taken by the Nigerian Police Force without the Police Service Commission? Are you aware of that?
It has been the practice, but it was never done in this matter.
Just a minute, witness, answer the question, yes or no, and then you can explain. Put the question back to the witness. Put it again to the witness.
Are you aware that the final decision in respect of any disciplinary action regarding any police officer in Nigeria, especially a police officer of your kind, a conclusive decision cannot be made without the Police Service Commission? Are you aware of that?
Yes, I'm aware, my lord.
Yes.
When you received the letter of your reduction in rank from CP to DCP, did you make an appeal, any appeal whatsoever, to the Police Service Commission as regards that?
I was already out of service,
Yes or no?
so I did not.
Yes.
Did you know that you were supposed to exhaust all internal resolution measures or mechanisms before proceeding to court?
If I was still in the service, yes. My Lord, may I take permission to add that I retired December 21st.
Just a minute. Just a minute.
Thank
Because
you,
I'm
madam.
writing. Just a minute. Yes. You were going to say something?
Yes, my Lord. I retired December 21st, 2021. I sent in
Yes.
the
Yes.
letter or the notification from Police Service Commission and the signal from the police headquarters came between May and August 2022.
The signal from where?
I retired from the police service
Yes.
21st of December 2021.
Yes.
Then they, knowing what they were doing, sent a signal and letter from the police and from the service commission from May to August 2022 when I was already out of service.
Yes.
My Lord, I sent in my letters for pension, gratuity, and such other things, only to be shocked that a letter from these authorities.
Yes. Next question.
You said in your witness statement on oath, particularly in paragraph 7, 8, and 9, that you retired on the 21st of December 2019. Were you properly retired?
Come again, come again, my Lord.
Yes. Can you repeat your question, please?
Yes, my lord. In your witness statements on oath, particularly in paragraph 7, 8, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Am I audible? Okay, okay. In your witness statements on oath, particularly in paragraph 7, 8, and 9, you mentioned that you retired on the 21st of December 2019. Were you properly retired?
I retired
If so,
21st December 2021, not 2019. My Lord.
the witness statement on, okay, sorry. That's an oversight from my end. 2021. That's an oversight. Apologies, my lord.
Yes.
Were you properly retired is the question.
I retired properly. I sent in my letter of resignation ahead of time.
If so, where is your retirement letter?
This is part of the anomaly. I have the letter with them and I have a copy with me, my lord.
Yes.
Your retirement letter is also pleaded, but there's no copy attached as evidence to this court. I don't know. Can you tell us why?
I sent a copy to the office of the first secretary. I sent a copy to the office of the first secretary, Abuja, as a senior officer, my lord.
Can you put the question asked? Put the question to the witness again.
I said your retirement letter is pleaded, but it is not attached. Can you tell us why?
A copy is with them at first secretary's office, which is official. And a copy should be with Police Service Commission too, from the office of the first secretary.
Witness, what the counsel is saying is that in the document before a copy of your notice of retirement before the court. Is that your question?
Yes, my lord.
Counsel, is that your question? That's
Yes, my
question.
lord. Yes, my lord.
And why? And why? That's the question. Okay.
Yes, my lord.
My lord, I believe I sent it in.
Yes, next question.
Are you aware that on retirement, every senior officer receives his or her letter of retirement?
I'm aware, yes. My lord, may I have your permission to add a caveat to that?
Yes.
Things should be normally, if it were normal, I should have my letter. But it's not just for me. There are others who have not received their letters of retirement, just as we have not received our letters of promotion till today.
All right. Okay. All right. Next question.
No further questions, my lord. That would be all from the first panel.
Any re-examine?
My lord, there is no re-examination. My lord.
Yes.
Yes, my lord, I will also be applying at this point that since the second and third defendants are aware of this date, but have refused to appear before the court, I will be foreclosed from cross-examining this witness.
Have they filed processes defense?
They've not filed
The first
anything.
one.
The second and
The
third,
second and third.
no
Have they filed any
memorandum,
process?
nothing, my lord, no memorandum of appearance, no statement of defense. I don't even think they've ever appeared once in this matter before.
The records reveal that the second and third defendants have been served with the originating processes and all the hearing notices in this matter. They neither entered appearance or filed any processes in defense. I am satisfied that the second and third defendants are not interested in defending this suit. Consequently, second and third defendants are proposed pursuant to the provisions of Order 38.32. The matter is adjourned for final address. Registrar, can you give me a date?
Sorry, my lord. I don't know whether the first defendant who has appeared may want to feed a witness as a first defendant.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
Yes, it's
My
just
lord.
You have a witness. You have a witness you want to call in this matter, so that if you have a witness, I can adjourn the witness.
No, my lord, we do not have witnesses.
You don't have a witness. Let me record you because I didn't see a witness on this. But let me record you. You do not have a witness.
Yes, my lord. On the second thought, my lord, may I ask for a 2-minute stand down to consult with my
I
superior?
don't have to stand any matter down. I can't stand your matter. This is a virtual.
Yes, my lord, even if it's 2 minutes, so I can call to
file.
confirm. My lord?
Look at your file. Do you file any witness? Have a
No,
list?
no, my lord.
So what do you want?
My lord,
Yes.
I was hoping you could give me 2 minutes to consult with my superior before we adjourn for final address.
I don't have 2 minutes to give you. This is a virtual hearing. It's technology. Well, I'm sure your senior is there with you. Your senior should be part of the procedure. So should I
No,
say?
I'm in court from the confines of my home. My lord.
Sorry?
No, ma, I'm in court from the confines of my home, from the comfort of my home.
Language of court is my lord, not ma. That's the language.
My lord.
I will just yes, what you don't have a witness. You have a witness on your
on
list.
the file, no. On the file, no, my lord.
File with you.
Yes, the file is with me, my lord. On the file, no.
Yes, I haven't, except I have I haven't seen any witness that you have listed.
I'm sorry, my lord. I mean, since I'm in this matter, let me just guide the court appropriately and also be of assistance more to the court. My lord, they have a witness statement on oath that is attached. Yes, they have a witness. Yes,
I'm trying to check the file.
Yes.
I think it will be in the interest of all the parties to just adjourn. I won't adjourn the matter. Because I'm still trying to look.
My lord, at least the copy that was served us, they have a witness statement on oath. It's the second and third defendants, they have not filed any process. Yes, that's why we're saying they should be foreclosed so that they don't come and take us back by saying they want to now cross-examine this witness while they can adjourn for defense, because this is our own case. We're good.
Yes, I'm looking at the processes filed by the first defendant, and the process I have here the process I have here so that we are all on the same page. There's a witness statement on oath. Uma Darubutu. Yes. But I can see that, but you didn't file. You didn't file. I was looking for the list of witnesses. You didn't file the list of witnesses.
Mm.
But I can see that you have filed a witness statement on oath. So I will adjourn the matter for defense. I think
Yes.
that's the proper thing.
Yes, my lord.
Yes, my
So
lord.
can you just make the proper application, my lord? That's the case for the claimant.
Yes.
Also,
Registrar. Date for defense. Yes. April 30 for defense.
April
April 30. 30.
That's a Tuesday.
Yes.
Yes, it's convenient, my lord.
Is it convenient to
Yes, my lord. Yes, my lord, it is.
The case is adjourned to April 30, 2024 for defense. Hearing notice will be issued and served on the second and third defendant. The procedure.
As the court pleases.
Thank you, my lord. May my lord just permit me to make an observation so that we can all be guided appropriately. I observe that the learned counsel to the first defendant, even though he appeared virtually, was seated throughout the proceedings in addressing my lord. I want to say that the practice direction for virtual sitting expects counsel appearing to observe all the necessary protocol as if they were in court. So I hope the learned counsel will note that subsequently, if you are appearing virtually, you stand to address the court as if you are physically in the court. Most grateful.
Yes. My sincerest apologies, my lord. This is my very first time appearing.
You are still sitting. You are still sitting. You are still sitting. You are still sitting.
My lord, just leave it at that. Probably she's not properly dressed, but I leave it at that.
She's in her house. That's her.
My sincerest apologies, my lord. This is my very first time appearing virtually, and as such, I was not abreast with the practice directions.
I don't want to say what I'm saying.
That's because reasons.
That's the next time when you are appearing virtually, you have to be properly dressed. You have to address the court. You look at the make sure that your directions, guidelines.
Yes, my lord.
Yes. It's not just the report. Yes. It's public. That is right. Next time you are virtually, you have to be dressed. You have to address it properly. So this, it is public. So the member of the public log in.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
My sincerest apologies, my lord.
Yes, thank you, Leonard. So.
Thank you, my lord, for your time again today. I think our witness can be discharged now while we exit the.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you, sir.